Welcome to the top best. The best baby gifts for boys 1-year-old is probably one of the most exciting and challenging shopping experiences a parent or loved one can embark on, as you aim to find that perfect present that will not only delight the little one but also be cherished for its developmental benefits and lasting appeal, ensuring smiles and precious memories for years to come. Number 5. Learning Resources Spike the Fine Motor Hedgehog. This toy helps toddlers strengthen their hand muscles. It also enhances hand-eye coordination as they remove and place the colorful pieces. Perfect for ages 18 months and up, this toy evolves with your child. It can be used for simple play, teaching colors, counting, and pattern recognition. The specially designed quills have an easy grip texture that captivates children's attention. This encourages focus and concentration while providing valuable tactile stimulation. Numbered holes in its back create opportunities for learning number identification and counting skills. Children can also practice color matching through playful exploration. It includes a storage compartment inside to keep all the pieces organized. This makes cleanup easy and ensures no pieces get lost during travel or storage. What we like. This toy is designed to strengthen hand muscles and improve hand-eye coordination. It's perfect for toddlers and can evolve with your child's learning as they grow. If you are looking for a toy that offers tactile stimulation and promotes cognitive development through color and number matching, this is a great choice. What people say. This is a great gift for a 1-year-old boy. The toy is well made and durable. It's educational and fun for toddlers. Number 4. SplashEZ 3-in-1 Splash Pad and Sprinkler. Get ready for a fun-filled water adventure. This innovative splash pad features a built-in learning mat, making education enjoyable during playtime. Beat the heat with this inflatable pool designed for little ones. Watch them have a blast with the refreshing sprinklers, creating endless summer fun. Keep your children cool and secure with our parent-approved design. This shallow wading pool is free from BPA and phthalates for worry-free play. We believe in the power of learning through play for healthy development. This product offers both educational activities and outdoor fun in one amazing package. As parents ourselves, we prioritize your child's safety and toy quality. If you're not completely satisfied, our customer care team is here to help. What we like. This product makes learning fun with its educational water features and sprinkler system. It's a safe and shallow option for little ones to enjoy during hot weather. If you want to combine outdoor water fun with early learning for your toddler, this splash pad is an excellent option for summer activities. What people say. The bright colors and engaging textures of this toy captured my son's attention immediately, providing hours of stimulating playtime. This toy is incredibly durable, withstanding rough toddler play without any signs of wear and tear. The smooth, rounded edges ensure safety during play. Number 3. Wooden Activity Cube for 1-year-old boy. This toy is designed to help your little one develop essential skills. It encourages counting, color recognition, and shape matching through hands-on exploration. This set makes a perfect gift for any 1-year-old boy. It includes a wooden activity cube, stacking cups, and a board book, all beautifully packaged in a blue gift box. The bead maze can be removed for separate play and then stored inside. Its compact size makes cleanup easy and travel convenient. Crafted from sturdy wood with smooth edges and child-friendly finishes, this toy is built to last. It supports early developmental learning through everyday play. This toy offers multiple activities to keep your toddler engaged. It helps build coordination, problem-solving skills, and encourages independent discovery. What we like. This toy offers a variety of engaging activities in one compact design, including a bead maze and shape sorter. It comes as a complete gift set with stacking cups and a board book, ready for any occasion. If you're looking for a durable, multi-purpose wooden toy that encourages skill development and comes beautifully packaged, this activity cube is an ideal gift. What people say. The toy is very sturdy and well-made, perfect for a 1-year-old who is still developing their motor skills. It has a variety of textures and sounds that keep my little one engaged for long periods. The size is just right for small hands to grasp and manipulate, promoting early cognitive development. Number 2. Wooden Racetrack for Toddlers. Discover a toy crafted from high-quality wood, painted with non-toxic colors, and rigorously tested for safety. It's designed to be a worry-free play experience for your little ones. Watch as 4 colorful cars zoom down the vibrant track from the top parking lot. This action helps improve visual tracking skills and provides endless racing fun. This simple yet engaging toy encourages hand-eye coordination and attention span development. It's also a great way to teach cooperation and turn-taking. Through playing with this toy, toddlers can develop dexterity and learn through repetition. It fosters communication skills as they play with others. This compact and sturdy toy is the ideal gift for birthdays or any occasion for children aged 1 to 2. It's designed for safe and enjoyable indoor or outdoor play. When playtime is over, children can easily collect the cars in the top parking lot. This helps them develop a sense of organization and prevents pieces from getting lost. What we like. This toy provides exciting racetrack action with a unique top parking lot for easy car collection. It's constructed from high-quality, safe materials, ensuring peace of mind for parents. If your child loves cars and enjoys visual tracking and turn-taking play, this ramp racer is a fantastic choice for hours of indoor fun. What people say. The toy is very sturdy and well-made, perfect for a 1-year-old who is just learning to walk and explore. It has a variety of textures and sounds that keep my baby engaged and entertained for long periods. The bright colors and engaging design make it visually appealing to young children. Number 1. Lamaze Peekaboo Forest Soft Baby Book. Welcome to the Peekaboo Forest, a delightful soft book designed for little explorers. It's perfect for sensory play and early learning. Each page is made of crinkling fabric, offering a unique sensory experience for your baby. The textures and sounds will captivate their attention. This cloth book is ideal for interactive playtime, encouraging curiosity and cognitive development. It's a wonderful tool for bonding and discovery. Designed for babies 6 months and up, it's easy for small hands to grasp and explore. The soft pages are safe and engaging. Life with a baby can be messy, so we made this book washable. It's a durable toy that can be easily cleaned for endless fun. It also doubles as a teething toy, providing comfort for sore gums. This versatile book offers both entertainment and relief. What we like. This soft baby book features engaging crinkling pages and various textures for sensory exploration. Its clip-on design makes it perfect for on-the-go entertainment. If you need a portable, washable, and stimulating toy for babies to develop sensory skills and enjoy peekaboo fun, this cloth book is an excellent choice for infants 6 months and up. What people say. This toy is great for developing fine motor skills and hand-eye coordination. The colors are bright and engaging, which really captures a 1-year-old's attention. It's made of durable, non-toxic materials, ensuring safety for little ones. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.